I'm just going to look at using DCC digital with the new Kato Unitrack turntable. So there's obviously going to be a few modifications. First thing I've done is put in double insulation here, and I've installed a Lenz LK200 reverse loop module, and what this will do will detect short circuit as the turntable turns and flip the polarity so that you don't get a short out that shuts down your system. The turntable control has got its own bespoke cable there, and I've adapted a point extension lead there to give me two wires to feed in rather than the Tamiya style plug that they've got. Otherwise the turntable is wired in with its band and with its power as you would for analog. So, got a steam loco. See, it's going to be a bit of a parking job to make sure that it fits. There we are. Okay, if we turn the power off there, then it will shut down the sound. So if we leave the power on, we can turn the turntable, the loco still remains live. And then we're almost ready, so it should line up. So we can now drive out again, and the reverse loop module will detect the change of polarity and switch over. As the turntable stands, it will only power up the lane that it's lined up with, so if I move away, you lose the power to the track. So what you can do is put in insulated rail joiners, and there's some supplied with the turntable. Insulate all the exits and then power them back through your main DCC wiring bus. Remembering the turntable itself needs to be through the LK200, but these can be out of the main wiring bus. So that way you can leave locos in sound in the lanes.